finish up, I guess we should just thank everyone again for their talks today. They were all awesome. I'm stoked with the quality and the breadth that we've covered. It's been awesome. So if everyone could thank all of our speakers for today and all the AV guys and the main organizers for making this happen. And I'll just point to, do we want to come up on stage and say hello one last time? And then, or have I missed anything important? Oh, yes. We got the informal dinner set up after this. So I think the plan is to try and organize into groups of 4 to 6 people, maybe a bit more, a bit less, and try and find somewhere to head out to eat after this. Highly encouraged, I think. Yeah, we do. If you throw up this one. Yes, self-organized dinner, and we have some instructions. Just go up to some people who look like you might want to talk to them, and hey, are you folks going to dinner? Can I join you? There's also, I think, a Discord channel for this. You could use the birds of the feather or something else. Yes, and there's more detailed instructions. There's plenty to eat since we're in food mecca of Melbourne and right in the CBD. And I hope everyone has a delightful evening. I hope you all got heaps out of today. I'll see you guys at the rest of the PyCon AU conference. Thanks for coming.